Okay, I'm going to go over writing assignment 1. This is a workshop. We workshop our writing assignments. So this is the first phase. You're going to click on writing assignment 1. Then you're going to read down here. It says, El verano pasado. For your latest blog post, you have decided to write a narrative of what you did last summer. Write a paragraph of no fewer than 10 sentences. Be as detailed as possible and use the following ideas as an idea or a guide. The activities you did when it was hot or cool, sunny or cool, the things or equipment you needed to do these activities, any sports you played and the equipment you used, the places you went and the people you visited, where you worked, or the classes you took. Okay, so then you're going to hit start preparing your submission. And because these are things that you did last summer, most of it should be in the preterite tense. So you might say like, el verano pasado hice mucha natación. Fui a la piscina cada día y siempre, I'm not spelling right, llevaba mi traje de baño y protector solar. So like, I'm not going to do the whole thing, but just something like that, where you start talking about what you did last summer, where you went frequently. If I went to the pool, then I'm talking about taking my goggles with me, but just make sure that your verbs are mostly in the preterite, and you may need to use some imperfect as well because you're talking about last summer, so nothing should be in the present tense.